Hello students, today we read our second lesson from Beehive, The Sound of Music. It is divided into two parts, Evelyn Jellin and Bismillah Khan. So today we read Evelyn Jellin. Introduction. Life is worth living. On certain occasions we feel exhausted. Incapabilities should be accepted in life. These make us bold and encouraged to face them with strong determination. This story concerns an 8-year-old girl named Evelyn Jellin. Gradually, she loses her hearing power, but she decides to lead a normal life with the help of teaching of Ron Forbes, percussionist. Percussionist बच्चे जो ढोल तबला बजाते हैं उनको प्रिकॉशनिस्ट बोलते हैं. तो एवलिन जेलिन को एक ऐसे टीचर मिले उसकी लाइफ में जो क्या बजाते थे, ढोल तबला बजाते थे, प्रिकॉशनिस्ट थे और उन्होंने उसको लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा एनकरेज किया. शी फील सर्टेन नोट्स इन हर body, her strong determination and hard work bring fruits. She has a mastery of some 1,000 instruments. She has been honored with the Royal Philharmonic Society's Soloist of the Year award. She is a shining inspiration for deaf children. She says, if you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. So, let's start it. एवलिन जेलिन इज़ अ मल्टी परकशनिस्ट. उसको बहुत सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स बजाने आते थे. मल्टी परकशनिस्ट थी वो, पूरा ऑर्केस्ट्रा पे बजाती थी. शी कैन प्ले अबाउट 1,000 इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स विद परफेक्शन, बट शी इज़ प्रोफाउंडली डेफ. पर वो क्या थी? टोटली डेफ थी. शी वॉज वर्क हार्ड टू अचीव दिस. उसने बहुत ज़्यादा वर्क हार्ड किया था ये अचीव करने में. When she was 8-year-old schoolgirl, her mother noticed that she was becoming deaf. जब वो 8 years की थी तो उसकी माँ ने कहीं नोटिस कर लिया था कि वो डेफ है, उसको सुनाई नहीं देता है. The loss of hearing had been gradual. लेकिन उसकी जो हेयरिंग पावर थी वो ऐसा नहीं था कि वो बचपन से ही डेफ थी, वो ग्रेजुअल थी. बीच बीच में आ जाती थी, बीच बीच में उसको सुनाई नहीं देता था. एंड एवलिन हैड मैनेज टू हाइड फ्रॉम ऑल अदर्स. और उसने अपनी डेफनेस को हाइड किया सबसे. एट लास्ट शी वॉज टेकन टू अ स्पेशलिस्ट when she was 11. The specialist confirmed that she had lost her hearing altogether and she was sent to a school for deaf. और जब वो 11 years की हुई तो वो टोटली डेफ हो चुकी थी. उसकी हेयरिंग जो थी वो पूरी तरह चली गई थी, हेयरिंग पावर. And the loss of hearing did not deter her from her determination to lead a normal life. She wanted to be a musician. One day she saw a girl playing a xylophone and she too wanted to play it. All teachers discouraged her, but percussionist Ron Forbes believed she could do it. She listens with her body. Ron Forbes tuned 2 drums. He asked her not to hear but to sense the sound in some other way. Soon Evelyn was excited. She felt the vibration of higher drum from the waist up and the lower drum from the waist down. Later she realized that she could feel the vibration in every part of her body. It tingles in her skin, her cheekbones, and even in her hair. When she performs on a wooden platform, she takes off her shoes. Then she can feel the resonances flowing up through her bare feet. उसको फील हो जाता था जो म्यूज़िक था वो उसकी पूरे बॉडी में, वुडन फ्लोर पे वो अपने पाँव में भी म्यूज़िक जो है वो फील करती थी. Evelyn went to prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London. She was about 17 at that time. She auditioned for an academy and scored one of the highest grades. At the end of her 3-year course, she had captured most of the top awards. She had moved from the orchestral work to solo performances. Now Evelyn is a multi-percussionist. She has mastery of about 1,000 instruments. She is a very popular artist and is invited for performances all over the world. In 1991, she was present with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year. She has accomplished more than any other person of her age. Of course, she did not lose her speech and can speak fluently, but in spite of her deafness, she has learned French and Japanese. Evelyn works hard. She works harder than classical musicians, but she is most unamazing. She tries to do her bit for others. Besides her regular concerts, she performs free in prisons and hospitals. She helps the young musicians. She is indeed a source of inspiration to the handicapped, especially deaf children. तो एवेलिन ने बहुत सारे डेफ बच्चों के लिए जो है वो सोशल वर्क भी किया और उनको इंस्पायर भी किया. उसने प्रिजन्स में, हॉस्पिटल्स में परफॉर्मेंसेस भी दिए. सो थैंक यू.